Good morning, this is Miss Crute. I'm going to show you how to draw the birds for the primary colored bird project. The first thing we need is a white piece of paper and a pen or a pencil to draw with, okay? I'm going to trace a circle because I have this already cut out. So if you have a cup or something like that, you can trace it, but you need it to not be too big because we have to fit 3 different circles on here. Okay, so close to the edge, but not too close. I'm going to trace 1 circle. Skip a little bit of space. Trace another circle. And 1 more on the edge. Okay, and these circles are going to be our birds. So the first thing I'm going to do is add a beak to my bird. I'm going to start my beak by drawing a triangle. My bird is going to face this direction. Then I need to draw the eye, which is a circle. You can color it all in black or make another smaller circle and keep that part white. So there's my bird's eye. We're going to do a wavy line for its wing. 1, 2, 3. And then the tail feathers, which is at the back of our circle. And it's the same thing that we did for the wing. 1, 2, 3. There we go. Now I'm going to add legs. We add 2 vertical lines and 3 toes on each leg. Okay? If I'm going too fast, just pause the video to catch up. My middle bird, I'm going to have him looking up at the sky. So my beak triangle is going to face up. My eyes are going to go near that, and we're going to have 2 this time because he's not turned on to the side. There's my birdie's eyes. Now the wings are going to be on each side this time. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And then the tail feathers down at the bottom. 1, 2, 3. We need our legs. 1, 2. And then the toes. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Very good. All right, last bird. This one's going to look at the ground like he's trying to find something to eat. Draw our triangle here. Our bird is turned sideways, so we can only see 1 eye this time. So 1 circle. Let's do our wing, tail feather, and legs. Now, you can either add grass at the bottom by drawing a zigzag line, or you can do a straight line. That is up to you. Okay? You could add clouds to the sky if you want, or a sunshine. But give your birds a little bit of a background. I'm going to put some bird seed on the ground for this one. There we go. Now, you should have already watched the song about primary colors. So you need to color your birds in with 1 of each primary color. There are 3 primary colors. So 1 primary color here, a different one here, and a different one here. Okay? All right, when you're finished, take a picture and submit it to your journal so that I can check it. Have fun.